For homeowners looking for window replacement Santa Fe TX, choosing a licensed window replacement company Santa Fe TX is one of the smartest ways to improve curb appeal, comfort, and long-term energy savings. A trusted local window company Santa Fe TX can handle home window replacement Santa Fe TX for everything from aging frames to full glass upgrades in established neighborhoods throughout Santa Fe TX 7751. Whether you need residential window replacement Santa Fe TX or window installation Santa Fe, experienced house window installers Santa Fe TX help match the right style, frame material, and glass package to your home's layout, weather exposure, and budget. Energy-efficient windows. Santa Fe TX are a top choice for families who want lower utility bills and more consistent indoor temperatures in Galveston County. With energy-efficient window replacement Galveston County TX, homeowners can reduce solar heat gain while improving insulation against humid coastal conditions. Insulated window installation. Santa Fe TX and energy-saving home windows. Santa Fe TX are ideal for older properties and newer builds alike, especially when double-pane window replacement Santa Fe TX is paired with modern low-E glass. Many residents searching for replacement windows. Santa Fe TX wants solutions that perform well through hot summers, heavy rain, and changing Gulf Coast weather. Vinyl window replacement Santa Fe TX remains a popular option because vinyl windows in Santa Fe, Texas offer durability, affordability, and low maintenance for busy households. Homeowners often choose affordable window replacement Santa Fe TX when they want a practical upgrade without sacrificing style. And vinyl frames come in many colors and sizes for custom window replacement Santa Fe TX. For residential communities across Santa Fe, Texas, vinyl products can resist moisture, reduce drafts, and deliver long-term value. A residential window company, Santa Fe, Texas, can recommend the best replacement windows Santa Fe TX for single-story homes, ranch homes, and updated family residences. Affordable replacement windows near La Marque TX and window installation services near Hitchcock TX are often sought by homeowners who want nearby expertise with competitive pricing. That same value matters in Santa Fe, where free window replacement estimate Santa Fe TX and free window replacement quotes Santa Fe TX help families plan upgrades with clarity. A licensed window replacement company, Santa Fe TX, can outline costs for double-pane windows, basic vinyl replacements, or full custom packages. Transparent pricing and dependable scheduling are essential when selecting house window installers. Santa Fe TX for a single damaged unit or a complete residential window replacement Santa Fe TX project. Old window replacement Santa Fe TX can dramatically improve the appearance and performance of aging homes, especially when frames, sashes, and seals have started to fail. Window replacement for older homes. Santa Fe TX often includes window frame replacement. Santa Fe TX, window frame and sash replacement Santa Fe TX, and careful custom fitting for openings that are no longer perfectly square. A skilled team offering window replacement and replacement Santa Fe TX can determine whether partial restoration or full home window replacement Santa Fe TX is the best path. This is especially important in older neighborhoods around Santa Fe TX, where original windows may be drafty, difficult to open, or prone to moisture damage. Custom home windows. Santa Fe TX give homeowners more freedom to upgrade style, natural light, ventilation, and architectural character all at once. Custom window replacement Santa Fe TX is ideal for homes with unique openings, renovation projects, or design goals that require precise sizing and finish options. Whether you need casement and picture window installation Santa Fe TX or a tailored sliding glass window replacement Santa Fe TX plan, local specialists can match modern performance to the existing look of the house. Many property owners in Santa Fe and nearby Arcadia want window upgrade services. Santa Fe TX that make their homes feel newer while still fitting the neighborhood aesthetic. Sliding window replacement Santa Fe TX and casement window replacement Santa Fe TX are two of the most requested upgrades for homeowners seeking better airflow and easier operation. Sliding windows work well in rooms facing patios, backyards, or side lots, while casement windows provide a tighter seal and a clean, contemporary appearance. When homeowners ask for new windows for homes Santa Fe TX, they often want options that improve natural ventilation without increasing maintenance demands. A qualified team of window contractors Santa Fe TX can assess room-by-room needs and recommend the right style for kitchens, bedrooms, living spaces, and home additions throughout Santa Fe TX and nearby communities. Finding the best window replacement service Santa Fe TX often starts with choosing best-rated window installers. Santa Fe, Texas, who understand local housing styles and Gulf Coast performance demands. A local window replacement company, Galveston County, can provide timely service, accurate measurements, and professional guidance from estimate to final installation. If you are comparing window installers near Santa Fe TX or replacement window contractors, it helps to work with a team known for quality products, responsive service, and clean workmanship. Homeowners in Alta Loma, Algoa, and Santa Fe benefit from professionals who know how to install for both energy savings and weather protection.